something with a few cards. I'll start with these. In fact, I've got a 5 here. And you'll notice that these cards are actually all the same. The jacks of clubs with blue backs. If I turn just one of them over, a little shake, and now we find they all turned over. Being able to manipulate the cards is quite a handy thing if you're about to cheat. But of course, as a magician doesn't necessarily cheat like a gambler. For instance, we think of gamblers in the old westerns with cards stuffed up their sleeves. But going to a game like that is fine, unless of course it's a different deck. The back design might be different. So a few odd cards up your sleeve is not very beneficial at all. For instance, let's get rid of that one there, and I'll take one of these from here, which has a red back, you see. So if I turn this one over here, it's handy if you can make all the cards that you're going to switch in change to the packet, or vice versa. You see now all these cards are red, which is pretty handy. Look, of course the deck might not be red. Let's put that away. Somebody might have a deck where the cards are blank on the back because they might think that prevents marked cards and cheating and things like that. But now, as you can see, all these cards are blank backed, and oh, that one isn't, but maybe it is, because look, it has got a blank back. It just seemed to turn over. Let's get rid of that one, because you might find that somebody's got a very pictorial deck or something like that. You know, you just never know what you're going to find. But look, we'll just push that through the hand, and now we find they've all got pictures in the back, and they're green, you see, like that. Doesn't make much sense at all, but it would make sense if what happened when you push the cards through your hand is that you had a card from the various backs that you might find, and then that way you're covered for slipping your card into the deck. Any questions?